Hello, my name is Mike Catignani. Please don't adjust your sound settings, I am actually Scottish. And I'm a Microsoft trainer and also the owner of a training organisation called Solutions Developed. And during our training we're often asked by people what's our opinion on Microsoft exams. Then we're asked what can they expect when they sit a Microsoft exam, and finally I'm usually asked, and it is usually the third question, is what do I have to do to prepare for an exam? So what I thought I would do is create a series of videos, quite short, just giving you some tips and tricks on those three subjects. This is the first one, and this one is all about what is the main reason that you would want to sit an exam. Now, Microsoft exams have got tremendous currency in the workplace. Often people tell me, but I've already got a degree in IT. Yes, that may very well be, but from the perspective of actually certifying your capabilities and abilities with the vendor solutions, you would be better to get yourself a Microsoft certification. And sitting exams can be quite straightforward and a very good way to do that. You find that people are more readily employed if they have Microsoft certifications. They are more revered by their peer group. You can usually win an argument by going, well, when I sat my exam, this is what I was asked, and this is what I answered, and I was right. Thirdly, most people with Microsoft qualifications can increase their earning capability. So for these three reasons, I would say this is why you should, and I have, gone and got myself certified with Microsoft qualifications. So please watch the next video, tells you what to expect when you sit a Microsoft exam. Thanks for listening.